What is up, guys? I'm back. November 1st. Let's get it. Freaking motor mounts. Let's get it. I already started looking at this, and you know, obviously this one's gonna be easy. This one's gonna be easy as well. But this one, no. We got all kinds of hoses and shit. Like, this does not look good. I can't even ooh, I can kind of see that bolt down up in there, but the other two, non-existent. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. I can get these two done relatively quickly. I'll be very happy, and then, you know, the rest of the day, basically, I can figure out what to do with that one. Probably need to go underneath. See, I can see that bolt, so that's good. I could probably see on the other side too if I got like underneath the car, but yeah. Got these Yonaka. Don't forget it, Yonaka. There's that back one. That's what it looks like. Here is the transmission side. And here's the big boy driver's side right here. So, I'm gonna get her jacked up on jack stands, and I got some wood from the store to support the motor to lift it up, you know. You'll see, whatever, right? So yeah, let's get started. All right. She is in the air. And Lord knows I put way too much trust in my rear brakes, even though they suck. But I got a piece of wood, you know what I'm saying? She actually doing work, so. Now it's time for me to actually straight up start. Got this wood right here. I'm gonna put it on, you know, however style, to hold up, push up on the oil pan in an even distribution. And then I can just lift up this side a little bit until, you know, it starts actually moving, like either the motor or the whole car. Then I'll just bust off all these bolts. I just freaking realized something. Oh shit. I'm so glad I ordered my motor mounts when I did. Check this out. That hole broken, straight up ripped. Look it out. Like, watch this. That's how broken it is. It's actually separated. Oh my goodness. You know, I kind of realized my motor mounts were bad because it felt like my motor was doing jumping jacks, right? But I didn't know it was that bad. Okay, I'm glad I did this when I am, because that's bad. That's dangerous. Like, if I hit the wrong bump, that thing could jump and miss a line, and then my axles get fucked, and then. Wow, okay. I'm very happy I got my mounts. So yeah, let's get it. Broken motor. Nice and easy. Got this in, you know what I'm saying? This is super easy, actually. This took probably, like, you know, max probably 5-10 minutes. Just this one. You know, it was literally 5 bolts. And it was very easy getting it off because you know, this thing was in 2 pieces, so that made it a lot easier. But yeah, nice and easy. I'm going to slide on over to the east side now. Let's see here. I got one right here. One back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right down there. There we go. And should be one just on the bottom side of this right here. Yep, I was right. There it is. I might just bust that one open from here. All right. Now I got this side out. Clear up the bolts. It is this one, and these two right here, you can see, and then the one that goes through here. These two you can hit with a power tool, but these two is too tight. That one I can hit with a socket. That one I had to do with a wrench. Fuck, I hate using the wrench. But yeah, very easy. Now I'm about to slide in this one. Hopefully it, let's see how it's gonna sit in there. This might be a problem. Stand by. All right, just so you know, you might not have this problem, who knows, but since this thing was like too thick, right? So I kind of just shoved it in as hard as I could, as much as I could, kind of whacked it in with a mallet a little bit, and then I lined up the two bottom holes. So the bolts are in on the other two, okay? And so once those are kind of in, right? I got them not all the way tight, just a little bit of breathing room, right? Just beating this. I had also lowered it because I brought the whole thing down since it wouldn't move any farther. I might need to get a screwdriver, push it in there and kind of do that little twist thing to bring that side down just like barely. Like it's almost there. Alrighty. It got pretty easy once you got like 2 or 3 of them lined up. And I already had those bottom 2 lined up, and then I did the screwdriver thing and kind of moved this one, got that in, and then this one was nice and easy. Just slid her in, did a little mallet tup, you know what I'm saying? And then she goes in over there. That's a stuck nut right there. Just a bolt. It's good stuff. Ah! Nice and easy. I'm glad I didn't have to take this off. That'd have been annoying. I mean, it's only 3 bolts, but it'd have been annoying. So, yeah, nice and easy. There's in there. You know, we got that one done. Just the back one left. I'm gonna go underneath and see how it looks. But it should just be the 3 bolts like this one. So if you're looking at the car like that direction, it'd be like this. And then just the bolt that's going through the middle. So yeah, hopefully I can fit power tools, at least for the long bolt. Power tools save lives. I'm so glad I freaking bought mine. Oh my goodness. Whew. Not even that bad either. This thing works. What brand is this? I'll shout them out. Cobalt. Yeah. Got the socket end. It's good stuff. Time to assess this. Oh, I can probably fit the power tool up in there and get the long bolt from that side. I think that's a stuck nut right there. It'd be nice and easy, get that off. So I can free up that bracket power there, and I can probably socket off or wrench off the that one, and this one. Should be right there, yeah. I might be able to fit the power tool right here. We'll see. All right, y'all, it's been a minute. Been trying to get this out. I had got this out just now, okay. But the mount that was right there, it was kind of stuck between like the firewall and these hoses and the T-bracket and all kinds of stuff. So I mean, I got 2 bolts out of the T-bracket. Hopefully I was, you know, get some more movability. But when it was just sitting right there, I had to get a screwdriver or a kind of bar of some sort and kind of bend it out. This right here, just a little bit. Then I kind of spun the mount sideways like that and then pushed it out that way. So it took some working. I was really not trying to take this damn T-bracket out. But now I got the new mount. Got the new mount, you can see me messing with it. Need to figure out how to get her in here now. Just shove it. I need to go over there and just hit her with a hammer, you know what I'm saying? She's kind of like propped up on there. Oh, there we go. Hit that little twist. Oh, yes. Okay. Hit that nice little twist boy right there. There we go. Get this leaf out my way. Trying to see if you can see what I'm doing here. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this back bolt, or I guess the front one. Just put it in place, just so I know where it's supposed to sit. I think I'll just miss a thing or two, but got that bolt in and that bolt. Now I'm just trying to get this one. There's actually a little more space than you think, but not enough. Cool, I don't know if you can even see that. My thumb's on it right now. That's where the bolt is. Cool, well, the 3 bolts are in. Now I just need to get the long bolt in. Whew. All right, y'all. I think I'm freaking done. Just got that long bolt in there. Woo-hoo! First mount done, second mount done, third mount done. Got everything tight. The 3 and the long bolt. It's in there, fucking fresh. This is gonna be a tight ride now since, I mean, I've only felt it with a super bad / broken motor mount. Pretty sure it broke not that long ago because it's been feeling really bad the last like 2 weeks. Basically, as soon as I ordered the part, it started feeling even worse, so that's good. Got that there. Those are tight. Sorry, I'm trying to remind myself. And I tightened the 3 and then, yeah, bet. Cool. Now I gotta just get all this done. Get that out first of all. Clean up my mess here. I got freaking stuff everywhere. Can't forget the but yeah, here was I never showed you the back mount. Here's what that one was. So look at that. That's weak. Like, you know, the one I got now is like full in, so that's a lot stronger. And same for this one. You know, they're actually like whole solid pieces. You know what I'm saying? Full of what, polyurethane, probably. I don't know. I didn't even read on it. It's Yonaka, so I mean, it's good stuff. Whew. Should be good. About to do it again. Oh my goodness! Wow, these motor mounts are definitely a lot stiffer. Check this out. You know what a normal car sounds like when it starts up? You know, ching ching ching, right? No. Listen to this, bro. Can you hear the vibrating? Oh, yo. And like, I put my hand on here, like, this shakes way harder than before. I fuck with that. Yo, the fucking car vibrates. Like, oh, fuck. This is lit. Oh, I can't wait for this drive. I wish I can see or hear. Like, this thing is vibrating like crazy. Oh. No. I think I accidentally went full race car, y'all. I can't even like. I can't even like fucking hear my exhaust anymore. Oh my goodness, no way. This is insane. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. It just goes. Yo, my fucking, I can't even see my, it's so fuzzy, like, I can't even tell on camera, but it's non-existent. Hello. What's cracking? I'm back. It's like freaking 6 days later. Give you a little update on the motor mounts. They're fine. Everything's good. They were like insanely stiff and vibrating like crazy the first day I had them on. But you know, it's been 6 days and they've actually broken in, and it is a lot better now. It is definitely still stiffer than, you know, what I had broken motor mounts, but it's a lot better for sure. Not as bad. I was thinking like, oh my goodness, I need a second car. Nah. Now we good. We good. Kylie's still the daily, you know what I'm saying? Big question is, do they work? Yes. Example. When I used to drop the clutch, it yeah, the whole car would go through like a seizure. You know, wheel hop. So yeah, it's definitely better now. It just spins like straight butter, all right? And even like when you shift, it kind of has like a better little, it kind of like pushes you along a little, like a smoother, rather than like a, you know what I'm saying, when it hits second, because everything else is moving. Now, yeah, when you slam gears, it legit feels like it's pushing your lower back. Like it actually has that torque to go, instead of like using that torque power to make up for everything loose and moving around. So it definitely does work for sure. I don't want to draw this out too long. So basically, they freaking work, okay? I definitely recommend, because they were really cheap. Actually, they were like, I think after shipping and tax and everything, it was $80. So that's not bad at all, okay? The other brands I was looking at were like 200s. So that's good stuff. Yeah, Yonaka BD series with the Hydro Trans. Good stuff. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, the build's continuing, so peace.